Utility is the only trailer company that has its own test track. Designed and built by utility engineers. We test and we retest and we retest again. The result really is that we end up building the lightest, strongest trailers in America today. Well, we like to think of it as a real-world torture test track, designed and built by utility engineers. They conceptualize what kind of life experience that the trailer would actually have to go through and survive on America's deteriorating highway system, and they design the track accordingly. Our track is not just simply a vibration simulated testing system. Utility uses static tests, they use cyclic tests, and then we overload the trailer and put it on Utility's torture track test to put it through its paces, through the rigors of that track. We test, and we retest, and we retest again until we prove out the concept of the design, until the design is fully optimized. Well, Utility has been an innovative company for years, developing new designs and new options of trailers to service the transportation industry. And probably some 35 or 40 years ago, we put in the first test track in the city of Industry, and we've evolved it on a dirt track. It was pretty crude at first, but we actually loaded up the trailer with an overload condition to maximize the stresses on the trailer. Recently, we modernized our track facility with a concrete track, which was built much like an LA freeway in strength and durability, so we could test 365 days of the year. Oh, the customers are very impressed with the fact that we actually test the way we do. For them to stand at our test facility and watch the trailer loaded, going around the track, twisting, torsionally, bouncing up and down, the reaction is always, I had no idea that you test in this way, and that our trailers can actually perform in the way that they do on this test track. Well, you're right. It is a very expensive proposition to do the testing that we do in terms of physical plant, test facility, test track, personnel, designing of the test facilities. But I can tell you that the customers are very well pleased that the trailer will perform, and they don't have to worry about that performance week after week, year after year.
Thank you.